Delanie. Welcome back to Around the Island. I'm your host, Katie Delano, and do you know why the pony couldn't sing? It's because she was a little hoarse. Get it? Horse? No? That's fine. What I'm trying to say is that the winds are on fire and the days are getting hotter, so don't forget to drink lots of water. When the stress gets to you, it's easy to forget to eat, sleep, breathe, take a step back, and repeat. So, to keep your mental health in check, when life gets tough, don't forget to take a step back, breathe, and slow down that beating heart. So, let's take a step back and rewind and check up on what our people in Junto are up to. Now, despite being all the way up north, Ngar Along got some activities ready for you. I'm saying this because for the teachers watching, please, on behalf of students everywhere, take your kids on a field trip. No one wants to be stuck in a classroom for 9 hours. I'm saying this as a student myself. So, Teacher Jackie, if you're watching this, let's go out, learn some history. Anyways, on a more serious note, take them to Badarulao to see the stone monoliths, and then maybe stroll on over to Today to check out the amazing views. The best way to make someone remember something is to make the experience memorable. In a positive light, of course. And if you're not a fan of the stuff on land, well, no worries. Also in Along, they have a Bill Dive, where they offer great underwater spots to see. And speaking of Ngar Along, I would like to take an opportunity to thank Delegate Timothy Sinsak for supporting this show and keeping it on the air. Delegate Sinsak believes that programs that involve the youth deserve all the support they get. So thank you, Delegate Sinsak, for your kind contribution. You know, Ngar Along isn't the only state that offers killer stuff to do. Newell State has the Eco Mangrove Tours where you can kayak through the mangroves while learning about the mangrove biodiversity, and you can visit their secluded waterfall. It's a mostly free program, and it's a great opportunity for students, teachers, tourists, and everyone alike. So you can call the state offices for any concerns, questions, and inquiries you may have. And don't worry, if you're like me and you have no car or you can't think of anybody who's willing to drive you all the way to Ngar Along or Newell, on August 10th at Spider's Gym, Omukulela Biblia is once again hosting Island Jams. And no, it's not an Island Jam session, but a small friendly basketball tournament for ages 9 to 18. The registration begins at 9 a.m. with a $2 fee for each player. So go on and check them out if you have nothing else to do on August 10th. So it pains me to say this, but that's all for now, folks. If you saw this on Facebook while you were scrolling, thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. If you saw this on YouTube and you decided to click the thumbnail, thank you so much for clicking. And if you saw this on TV, thank you so much for not skipping the channel. I know, you might get tired of seeing this face, but I won't be going away anytime soon. On a serious note, your viewership and your presence means a lot to me. And you know what else means a lot to me? Likes! Subscriptions! So go ahead and comment down below, click the like button, tell me your comments, your concerns, your violent reactions, or any other constructive criticisms. I can take it. I'm a liberal arts student. I was made for this. So yeah, if you don't want to go on a public site and say your thoughts and opinions, you can go message me directly on Facebook at KT Delano. And that's KT, not Katie. KT Delano. Or if you're not on Facebook or you're too cool for Facebook, go ahead on Instagram and slide into my DMs. That's chaotic.ktd, and that's chaotic with a K. So this is all for now, folks. Till we meet again, this is KT signing off.